And good morning, I'm Dr. Deuk Results. It's August 10th, 2022. I'm here with one of my patients who traveled to Deuk Spine Institute because she had 3 herniated discs in her neck. They were causing problems for her like neck pain and weakness and numbness in her arm. And she just underwent the Deuk laser disc repair yesterday, less than about 24 hours ago. And she's here today for her post-op day 1 check. How do you feel?
I feel amazing.
Good. You want to tell us, did the surgery help you, the Deuk laser disc repair, and how did it help you?
Absolutely. I have 0 pain. I am not on any medication, even the ones you gave me. Don't need my muscle relaxer, don't need pain medicine. I immediately had all my strength back. All my fingers feel just like normal. I'm back to normal.
And you're actually wearing an outfit here. What is this outfit?
Yes, this is my work uniform. I came directly from work here. I went to work at 5 a.m. this morning after surgery at 7:30 yesterday. I reported here. So
you're right.
Went right back to work.
Yep, and had you had a fusion done, an ACDF, you would have been out of work for how long?
I don't know, because nobody offered me a fusion. They absolutely refused to fix me.
Well, if she'd had a fusion, she would have a huge scar on her neck, which you don't have. Show them your scar. How big is that?
4 millimeters.
4 millimeters. And you would actually be out of work for about 3 months with a fusion. Yikes. 3 months minimum.
Oh no, can't do
and
that.
Yeah, that's assuming it went well. And you can actually see in this video here the comparison between the Deuk laser disc repair and a cervical fusion, which is a far more invasive surgery with a metal plate and cages, and you lose movement permanently. Have you noticed how your movement is since you had the Deuk laser disc repair? Is your neck movement good?
Yes, I'm able to nod, and I have full range of motion again, very carefully. And I'm able to walk normally. Right before surgery, you might have noticed I was waddling around, and I can take my normal steps again in a straight line. There's no dizziness. I don't have to hug the wall. It's great.
Yeah, the reason she had balance problems is because her spinal cord was getting pinched on by the herniation, which we got in there, and when you watch the video, you actually see there's a herniation pushing on your spinal cord, and I use the laser to remove that herniation and get the pressure off your spinal cord and the nerves. So I'm very happy with the results. Your surgery went perfect. We lost just a few drops of blood, and here you are the next day back to work, and that's incredible. This is why the Deuk laser disc repair endoscopic surgery is so amazing, is people can have a great result, have low risk of the surgery, and be back to work the next day if they want to. All right, so what kind of symptoms did you have before your surgery? How were they affecting your life besides your balance problems?
Oh, I had severe pain that would make it to where I couldn't do my job. I'd have to have my coworkers repeat things to me often because I was in such pain I couldn't concentrate, couldn't listen to them. I had to be very careful walking around the office. I'd ping pong down the halls. I had trouble typing, lots of typos because I couldn't feel half my hand most times. I wasn't able to drive a bus at all. It's very dangerous when you can't have a grip on your steering wheel, can't reach properly for the controls when you have pain that's preventing you from moving. I have 7 mirrors to check in a bus. I couldn't move my head right. It just was a bad situation.
And so it really affected your quality of life and your ability to do your job. So we're real excited. Now you're doing better and hopefully go back to being normal.
Yeah.
All right, is there anything else you want to tell your fans out there?
I would say that when you watch his videos, it's a little QVC-ish, but he is not lying. It's all the truth, and you better come and see Dr. Deuk because it's worth it. It's worth every penny. I'm not afraid that I paid for this, and even if I don't get any of that back, it's totally worth it. And I don't know if anybody's ever called you a tool before, but you were definitely the tool I needed to get my own self fixed when nobody else would.
I am God's tool, so I try to do what God asked me to do and help people.
Right.
So that's okay to be a tool. Well, congratulations.
Thank you.
And I'm very happy for you.
It's a good handshake, right?
Yep,
Yes,
very good. Yeah. All right, take care.
All right.